Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Here's your pen. Thanks.
Here's your pen.
Thank you.
Oops, I got it.
Thanks again. Can I use your pen? Is it okay?
Yes, it's fine.
Thanks.
Let me get that for you.
Oh, thanks a lot.
These flowers are for you.
Thank you very much.
Let me help you with that box.
Thanks a lot.
It's raining. I can drive you home.
I really appreciate it. I finished proofreading your report. Much appreciated. I found the data you needed.
Much appreciated. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Thanks for lending me your charger.
No problem. Sorry, I'm a few minutes late.
No worries.
Oops, sorry about that.
No worries.
I can't thank you enough.
Don't mention it.
Thanks for driving me home.
Don't mention it.
Oops, I spilled a little water. That's okay.
Sorry, I spilled a little.
That's okay. Sorry, did I interrupt you?
It's okay. Go ahead.
Oh, I'm sorry for stepping on your foot.
It's okay.
Oh, sorry. No worries. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine. I'm late for our meeting.
I've been waiting.
I'm sorry. Oh, sorry.
Watch out. Oh no, I'm so sorry.
It was an accident.
I made a wrong move. My bad. No problem, we can fix it.
Pardon me. No problem.
Oh, pardon me.
No problem. The meeting is at 3. Pardon? The meeting is at 3 o'clock.
Excuse me, please.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse me. Oh, sorry. My fault. Are you okay? Yes, thanks for the help. No problem. Excuse me. Could you help me? Yes, how can I help?
Excuse me, please. Do you work here? Yes, how may I help you?
Yes, how can I help you?
Oh, pardon me.
No worries. It happens. The show starts at 7. Pardon? Could you repeat that? 7 o'clock.
Mom, may I have an apple, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Cookie, please.
Here you go.
Oh no, I can't lift this alone. Sure, I'll give you a hand. Oh, these are heavy. Please help me. Sure, I'll take one.
I don't understand this. Can you help me?
Of course. I'm almost ready to go. Please wait. Okay, I'll be right here.
I need to check something. Please wait. Okay. I have an appointment with Mr. Kim.
Just a moment, please. I'll check.
Are you busy?
Just a moment, please. Professor, may I ask you a question about the lecture?
Yes, go ahead. Excuse me, may I ask you a question?
Yes, go ahead.
May I come in?
Yes, please do.
May I come in?
Yes, please do. Come on in.
I bought this jacket. Is this okay?
Yes, it looks really good on you.
How about we meet at 4 p.m. tomorrow? That's fine. I'll see you then.
Let's grab some Korean barbecue tonight. Sounds good. I'm hungry for that.
How about this design? Is this okay?
Yes, I like it.
How about we start with the research? Sounds good. Could you help me with this box? It's quite heavy.
Of course. Let me grab the other side.
Could you help me carry these boxes?
Sure, I'd be happy to. Can I borrow your pen for a moment?
Of course. Here you go. Is the report ready for review?
Certainly. I just finished it.
May I borrow your pen for a moment? Mine just ran out.
Certainly. Here you go.
Go ahead. We're listening.
Excuse me, may I say something?
Should I begin the presentation now?
Yes, please. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Thank you. After you. Thank you.
Oh, after you.
Thank you.
Mr. Lee will see you now.
Thank you for waiting.
Excuse me for a moment. I need to take this call.
No problem. Excuse me for a moment. I need to take this urgent call. No problem. We'll be here.
Are you ready to order, sir?
Just a moment, please. I'm still deciding.
Take your time. Just looking, thank you.
Please take your time. Let me know if you need anything.
I'm almost done. Just need a few more minutes.
No rush. Take your time. I'm sorry, I couldn't find that specific book you asked for.
Oh, that's okay. Thanks anyway for looking. I was hoping you could help me with this.
I'm afraid I can't. I'm busy right now.
Thanks anyway.
I apologize for missing the project deadline.
We understand. Please ensure it doesn't happen again.
I didn't mean to interrupt your presentation earlier.
I apologize for that. We made a mistake on your order. I apologize.
We will fix it immediately.
My apologies. I spilled some water.
Oh, don't worry. I apologize for that.
I completely forgot about our meeting today.
My apologies. I must have mixed up the dates. There seems to be error with my booking.
My apologies. Let me resolve this for you right away.
I know I really messed up this time.
Please forgive me. I promise it won't happen again.
Sorry to keep you waiting. The traffic was terrible.
No problem. I'm glad you made it.
I'll try to finish this report as fast I can.
Please take your time. Accuracy is more important. Oh, I didn't see you there.
Sorry about that. Are you okay? Oh!
Sorry about that. Are you all right? I know I messed up.
Please forgive me. I didn't mean to upset you. All the boxes are finally put away.
Great. Thanks for your help.
Could you pass me the sugar? Sure, here you go. Thanks for your help.
I think I understand the problem now. Great. Thank you for your help. I can't find the report.
Oh, it's right here.
Thank you for your help.
That concludes our discussion for today.
Thanks for your time. That concludes our interview.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for your time.
We'll be in touch regarding the next steps.
Great. Thanks for your time. I appreciate your help.
I can assist you with that detailed report.
Let me get that door for you. Oh, that's kind of you. I appreciate your help.
I'm glad we could discuss this thoroughly.
Great. I appreciate your time. I think we covered everything.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate your time.
I'll check the flight schedule for you.
Please let me know.
Can you send me the meeting minutes? Yes, I will. Please let me know when it's sent.
We might need to adjust the project timeline.
Great. Let me know, please.
What time works for you tomorrow? I'll check my schedule. Let me know, please.
Could I open the window, if you don't mind?
Of course, go ahead.
It's a bit chilly here. If you don't mind, could you close the window?
Great! That would be great!
I'll send you the meeting minutes by email.
Great! I'd appreciate that.
I can review your presentation slides. Oh, I'd appreciate that. Thank you.
Please complete this urgent form by Friday.
Great! Thank you in advance.
The next train is unfortunately delayed. Sorry about the inconvenience. I can't make it to our appointment today.
Please understand. Your order will be delayed due to a system error. Oh, I see. We're working to fix it. Please understand. I know this change is very last minute. Thank you for understanding. I know this is sudden, but I can't make it tonight.
Oh, I understand.
Thank you for understanding.